Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Winding Racing. Today is a day that I've not really looked forward to, but it has to be done. I have to get Rally Bug through emissions. My 30-day general use tag is expiring tomorrow, and you know, got to get the official tag. So basically, this car went from a bunch of VW parts on the back of a flatbed through years of fabrication and other work, motor building, and today I get to see if I can be legal on the road. So I just filled it up with gas. Let's make the trip down there and see how that goes. Well, guys, I made it. Now let's see how this goes. I have no idea. I hear I just have to do an idle test. Make sure I'm not puffing out black smoke while I'm idling. Seems to be idling fine, so we'll see how this goes. Well, guys, I made it back, and well, unfortunately, it failed in the hydrocarbons. I don't know exactly what that means, but I'll figure it out. If it's which I'm sure it's probably a carburetor tuning or maybe timing. Maybe I got a fouled plug. I don't know. But everything else passed. The initial inspection of this vehicle has passed the equipment inspection. So the equipment's all okay. But unfortunately, it failed the emissions test. Carbon monoxide is okay. Hydrocarbons, whatever the hell those are, failed. So I got a little work to do before I can get my license plate for Rally Bug. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you on the next one.